On guys, it's Raul TV, Team R for UL, yours truly. We're back again, back in the garage, and what I'm doing this time round is I've got a 2007, 2008 Ford Focus here. I'm going to replace the rear, that is the rear strut mounting, the shocker mounting on the back. We're going to replace that. Come on, let's do it, let's go. Right, that's where it lives. As you can see, mine is absolutely snapped off. Right, dead easy job. You can do it outside your house, no problem. As you can see there, the mountain snapped off. The shocker's still alright, but the mountain is snapped off. So we're going to go ahead and replace that. Let's go. First things first, we're going to take the wheel off. Right, now that we've got the wheel off, guys, what we're going to do is, see that you can just go ahead and take them off like that. Can you see it's just two bolts? One there, one there. Or if you want to make your life easier, take this panel off so you can see it properly. I'm not going to go ahead and do that. I'm just going to take them two bolts off from there. I think the 10 milli bolts, take them off. Happy days. That's it, that's the top half done, and I'll show you what to do on the bottom half. Okay guys, them two bolts are off. Nothing there anymore. I mean, you could have just taken the bottom half off and leave the top ones for now, but since it's there, I thought I'll just take them off. Two bolts are off. We're going to send it up now. I'll show you what to do on the bottom. Okay, sent the car up on the ramp. Dead easy. Only one bolt to take off, which is this one here. It's not rocket science. This bolt here, size 15 or 16. I think it's a 16 milli bolt. Take that off. Put some oil on this side. Make sure you've got lubricant and everything on this side. You don't want it to snap. That's it. Take that bolt off. Shocker comes off, and we'll go from there. If you are attempting it on the floor, make sure you put axle stands on it. Jack it up properly. Put a block on the back or the front. Make sure you doesn't roll off the axle stands. And that's the last thing you want. Car falling on you. We don't want that. Let's go, let's do it, guys. Right, there we have it, guys. Shocker is off. Took that bolt off, only one bolt there. It was tight to come off, so I went backward and forward with it. It's come off, so happy days, that's done. What we're going to do now is we're going to take this top mounting off. That's the culprit, that's what we're going to replace. Whiz that off, 13 milli on top there. Whiz that one off. Bang the new one on. Let's finish it, let's do it. There's the new one, guys. Sorry about my hands, I've got no gloves at the moment, COVID-19. New one's on. Get the nut on there. Happy days, just tighten that up and refit it in reverse order. Let's do it. Right guys, there we have it. The new one is on there. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to refit it. I recommend you fit the top one first, top half first. The two bolts, remember. Fit it up there. I recommend you do that, and then you can line the bottom shocker bolt up. If you put the bottom one on, then obviously it's going to be dragging it down all the time. Then you have to lift it up and all that, you know, rubbish. So you don't want to do that. Fit the top on first, and then we'll go to the bottom. There we have it, guys. The two bolts are on. That one there, they're on, tightened up and everything. We're going to send it up now, finish it off, put that bottom bolt on, and that's it. Let's do it. Right, all we need to do now, guys, is just put that on there like that. Put that bolt through it and tighten up on it. You might need to push the hub up a little bit just to line that up. It might just line up automatically if you're lucky. If you're not lucky, just push it up slightly. That will go in straight in. What I would recommend is you clean it up, grease it up as well. Copper grease, oil, WD-40, whatever you got. Make it nice and lubricated and everything, because this was really tight to come off. So we don't want to just gun it back on. We want it to go on nicely. Next time we take it off, it should come off nice and easy as well. So that's it, guys. Put that in there. Line that up. Happy days. Just whiz that on. Let's go. Let's do it. That's it, guys. Job done. Happy days. Wheels back on. All the bolts are tight. The bottom bolt is tight. The top two bolts are tight. And that's how we replace the strut mounting on the rear. That is the rear of the Ford Focus 2008 2007 kind of thing. It's pretty much the same on all of them. Yeah, that's it. all I'm going to say is like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell button for me. Leave a comment in the comment section. I hope this video helps you guys out. And yeah, if you want to know anything about this car or any car, leave it in the comment section. I'll get back to you guys and I'll see you guys soon.